Good morning, students. This is Asif Khan and welcome back in the science world. Students, in previous week, we have completed lesson number first. What is the name of that lesson? That is the living things and non-living things. In that, we have learned about living things and non-living things, the features of living things, and because of which feature we can say that these are living things and these are non-living things. How we can differentiate between living and non-living things. Okay, I hope you all have got it and get the knowledge about the living things and non-living things. Now, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is animals and human beings. It's our lesson number 2. Okay, so let's start lesson number 2, animals and human beings. Students, we have already learned about human beings, about animals and plants. We know that these all are human beings, birds, animals, plants are living things. Okay. Now the human beings and animals have lots of similarities, but they are differ from each other. The animals and human beings have number of similarities, but they differ from each other. Okay, now let's learn about the characteristics features of living things, that is the human beings and animals. In that lesson we have learned about the characteristics feature of animals and characteristics feature of human beings. Which characteristics features show by human beings and which characteristic features show by animals. So first of all we see characteristics feature of animals. This is our first point in lesson number 2, animals and human beings. The first point, that is the characteristics feature of animals. So let's see which features show by animals. So number 1 characteristic, that is the animals move from one place to another place for searching food and shelters. एनिमल्स क्या करते हैं, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूवमेंट करते हैं, जाते हैं इन सर्च ऑफ फूड एंड शेल्टर्स. बट हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल, हाउ दे कैन मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. सो लेट्स सी, द बर्ड्स मूव बाय देयर विंग्स. द बर्ड्स हैव विंग्स टू फ्लाई, and because of their wings, birds can move from one place to another place. But in some animals, they don't have wings, they have 4 legs. For example, lion, tiger, dog, goat, cow, buffalo. These all animals have 4 legs, and because of that their 4 legs, they are moved from one place to another place. Some animals like insects have 6 legs and also the wings, but they are use their 6 legs for movement. For example, cockroach move from one place to another place by using their legs, and their legs are joined. Okay, now the next one characteristics, that is the some animal live natural environment, while some animals make their own home. The number of animals live in natural environment. For example, lion live in a den or cave. These are already present in the rock. Okay, but some animals like birds make their own home on trees. बर्ड्स क्या करते हैं? अपना खुद का घर, अपना खुद का होम बनाते हैं कहां पर? ट्रीज के ऊपर. बट ऑल एनिमल्स डू नॉट मेक देयर ओन होम. सम एनिमल्स आर live in a natural environment. For example, monkey do not make their own home. They live on trees in the forest. Okay, the next one characteristic feature of animal, that is the animal eat plant flesh of other animals, and both plant and also flesh of other animals. Some animals eat only plant, and like this animal is called as herbivorous animals. For example, cow, buffalo, deer, goat, these are eat only plant. That's why like that animals is called as herbivorous animals. Okay, but some animals eat only flesh of other animals. Like that animals is called as carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, owls. Like these animals eat only flesh of other animals, and they are different from the herbivores. But few animals eat both flesh and also green plants. These are called omnivorous animals. Okay. For example, bear, crow, human being also eat plant and also flesh of other animals, chicken and etc. Okay, now which characteristics show by animals? Let's see. Next one, that is the animal communicate with each other by making different sound. Human beings communicate with each other by their language. By using the language, they are communicate to each other. But the animals don't know the language. That's why they are communicate to each other by their sound. For example, frog croak, and the birds chirping. Because of chirping, the birds communicate to each other. Okay, the next one characteristic feature, that is the some animals can changes their body temperature according to the environment. Some animals change their body temperature according to the environment. Like that animals is called as cold-blooded animals. Some animals can change their body temperature to that of their surroundings. These are called cold-blooded animals. Okay. For example, snakes, frog and fish, they are change their body temperature according to the environment. That's why frog and snakes, like that animals, is called as cold-blooded animals. But some animals do not change their body temperature according to the environment. Like that animals is called as warm-blooded animals, including human beings. Human beings also not change their body temperature according to the environment. They prevent ourselves by using the clothes, by using the raincoat. For example, in the winter season they use warm clothes for prevent from the cold. सर्दी से बचने के लिए क्या करते हैं? वार्म क्लोथ यूज करते हैं. That's why like that animals is called as warm-blooded animals. Okay. So next one characteristic features of animal, that is the animals that have 6 legs are called insects. Which animals they have 6 legs? Such animals is called as insects. Okay. So these all are the characteristic features of animals. But same